Dear students, in previous lecture, we studied absorption and action spectrum. Now today, we will study our next topics of photosynthesis. Now this slide shows various pigment molecules which are also known as antenna complex and reaction center. The majority of the pigments serve as an antenna complex, collecting light and transferring the energy to the reaction center complex, where the chemical oxidation and reduction reactions leading to long-term energy storage take place. So, pigment molecules are also known as antenna complex. Today, we will mainly focus ourselves on two effects, red drop and Emerson enhancement effect. Now, by the late 1950s, several experiments were puzzling the scientists who studied photosynthesis. One of these experiments, carried out by Emerson, measured the quantum yield of photosynthesis as a function of wavelength and revealed an effect known as red drop. Now, what is red drop? Emerson found a sharp reduction in the rate of photosynthesis when monochromatic beam of more than 680 nanometer was used alone. It is called red drop. So this is called red drop. This is clear from this diagram. 650 nanometer when light supplied, rate of photosynthesis is more, and then when 710 nanometer is far red light supplied, the rate of photosynthesis decreases. So there is reduction in the rate of photosynthesis. This is known as red drop. The Emerson enhancement effect, the second effect, is also shown here, but we will study this diagram. Now another puzzling experiment result was the enhancement effect. This effect was also discovered by Emerson, so it is known as Emerson enhancement effect. He measured the rate of photosynthesis separately with light of two different wavelengths and then used the two beams simultaneously. Now you can see here he supplied far red light, and then this is the when he supplied far red light, this rate of photosynthesis is shown in this diagram, relative rates of photosynthesis versus time. This graph is plotted, and then he supplied red light, the rate of photosynthesis is this. After that, when he used both the lights, when red and far red light were given together, the rate of photosynthesis was greater than the sum of the individual rates. Suppose the sum of the rate of photosynthesis of far red and red light is suppose 50%, but when he used both the lights together, then the rate of photosynthesis is approximately 80%. This effect is known as Emerson enhancement effect. Now, this Emerson enhancement effect, this led to the discovery of means there are two systems, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, that absorbs different wavelengths of light and operate in series to carry out early energy storage reactions of photosynthesis. Now, this is photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Photosystem 1 absorbs far red light. On the right hand side is photosystem 1, and on the left hand side of this diagram is photosystem 2. This is clearly shown in this diagram that photosystem 1 is reaction center. The reaction center of photosystem 1 is P700 is written here. Means photosystem 1 absorbs far red light, means wavelength greater than 680 nanometer, means approximately 700 nanometer. And photosystem 2, which is on left hand side, this is photosystem 2 absorbs red light of 680 nanometer, and reaction center in the photosystem 2 reaction center, it is written here P680, means it absorbs red light of 680 nanometer. Now another difference, photosystem 1 you can see here on the right hand side. Photosystem 1 produces a strong reductant capable of reducing NADP positive and a weak oxidant. Photosystem, I am repeating one again, photosystem 1 produces a strong reductant capable of reducing NADP positive. Here NADP positive is converted into NADPH, and a weak oxidant. Here it is written weak oxidant. And on the other hand, photosystem 2 produces a very strong oxidant. Photosystem 2 produces a very strong oxidant and a weaker reductant than the one produced by photosystem 1. So these are two systems, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. They absorb different wavelength of light. Photosystem 1 is on right hand side and photosystem 2 is on left hand side. Photosystem 1 absorbs wavelength greater than 680 nanometer and photosystem 2 absorbs red light of 680 nanometer. Thank you.